Hello students, I'm going to step you through how to set up your personal budget through Quattro Pro. The numbers that I'm going to be using will not correspond to your numbers. Mine are just going to be place fillers just to give you an idea of how it should look. To begin, please click on File and New from Project. What we're going to be looking up is a template that's already established and will help calculate things for us. We're looking for personal budget, and these are set up alphabetically. So it's going to be after the mortgage. And press Create. You're going to notice that a window is going to pop up. Please do not press a button yet. I'm going to tell you which one to press. So here's our window that will come up, and it's wanting to know if I should shut off the macros or not. A macro is what's actually automatically running and doing calculations for us, and we want them on. So we're actually going to click on No. Ensure that you click on No. We're going to, as soon as this pops up, I think it's just a little delayed there, we're going to be filling in some data. So it says enter the cell in the date in the cell to the left, but put your name in here. What that does is it allows for the teachers, as we're correcting, to see whose budget we're working on. You can put your partner's name in as well, but this just isn't more of an identifier for us. And you're going to fill in things here. So under income, you're going to have your net salary. This is after you filled in your income tax form, so you know how much money you have to work with. So I'm just going to put in a number of 20,000 to give you an idea. Notice what has happened is that it's automatically put in a monthly amount, and it has put in a percentage. So my salary is the whole percentage, right? It's 100%, the entire amount of my income. Under expenses, you're going to have things like your mortgage. You're going to have your student loan. You're going to have groceries, utilities, your internet, clothing, car, so on. So I only have a few things in here. Sometimes for this part, when you're going to do your graph, you may find that you can subcategorize and lump things together. Please check with your teacher as far as they want you to set up this particular budget to be submitted. You may find that you want to do two. You want to have a very detailed one. So my students, for instance, will need a very detailed budget, and for the chart purposes, they may be able to put them into categories. So fill in some numbers. So say that my mortgage is $5,000 a year, my student loan is $7,000 a year, my groceries are $4,500 a year. My utilities are at $840. I think, yeah, my internet, I did that wrong, so my internet's $840. My utilities are $1,200. I want to spend about the same amount on my clothing. And for my car, let's say $5,000 a year for the car. All right, so you can fill in whatever else you need to have there. This just gives you an idea. Detailed is better than not.